Mercury chlorine plants use antiquated and dangerous methods to produce chlorine gas. Utilizing hundreds of tons of liquid elemental mercury, they are critically dangerous and are being regulated out of business due to permanent adverse health effects. These facilities are generating toxic air plumes, causing serious brain and neurological injuries. The mercury is vaporizing at room temperature and is filling the surrounding air with harmful vapor. Vapor that cannot be seen, smelled, or touched. This invisible vapor contaminates not only the air, but all surfaces it encounters. The plant surfaces and even the clothing worn by the employees are contaminated by this vapor. The plant itself becomes a toxic plume that everyone is breathing and taking home with them. The industry has known of these dangers for decades. Having contaminated the air, mercury then enters the body through the lungs. Once in the lungs, it moves into the bloodstream where the kidneys attempt to eliminate it. As the kidneys eliminate some of the mercury, they become a target organ of insult. As they attempt to flush the blood, they are suffering neurological damage. Working to flush the blood, they are unable to clean much of the mercury. While the kidneys try to clean the blood, this mercury is adversely affecting the entire endocrine system, altering the production of estrogen, testosterone, and the functioning of the thyroid itself. The endocrine insult affects the entire body and the body's organs' proper function. Next, assaulting the pancreas and reproductive organs. This is of particular concern regarding menstruating or pregnant females. Mercury has been linked to birth effects and brain damage in children. Mercury's destructive impact on the body can manifest in most organs and organ systems. While breathing it, the blood is carrying it throughout the body. Of particular concern is the heart. As it pumps this toxicant, the heart is a target organ itself. The electrophysiology is particularly susceptible to mercury toxicity. Mercury destroys neurons, and neurons are an integral part of the electrical physiology that makes the heart work properly. Mercury also attacks the immune system. As it reduces the functioning and the power of the white blood cells, it reduces the effectiveness of our immune system. Therefore, many autoimmune disorders have been associated with mercury intoxication. This can manifest in many different immune disorders and conditions. More importantly, mercury can have a devastating impact on the brain and the neurological system of the body. Our entire body is governed and controlled by our nervous system. As mercury is distributed in the blood, it travels to the brain, where it crosses the blood-brain barrier. This means it leaves the blood and travels into the tissues of the brain itself. While there, it is destroying neurons that directly impact the functioning of the brain and its attendant neurological systems. Therefore, it is not only harmful to the brain itself, but it is also adversely impacting the nervous system's functioning regarding many other organs and organ systems. Mercury has a destructive impact on many systems of the body and can manifest in many different conditions and symptoms throughout the body.